Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and refreshing salad. For this salad, we'll need arugula, 50 grams, mango, 250 grams, lightly salted salmon, 70 grams, mozzarella cheese, 60 grams, balsamic vinegar, 18 grams, black sesame seeds, 10 grams, olive oil, 20 grams. We're diving into a culinary delight that's as colorful as it is nutritious. Imagine combining the peppery bite of fresh arugula with the succulent sweetness of ripe mango, alongside the subtle oceanic flavors of lightly salted salmon. We'll bring it all together with the creamy, milky goodness of mozzarella cheese, a splash of rich balsamic vinegar for that tangy punch, a sprinkle of exotic black sesame seeds for a hint of crunch, and a final drizzle of olive oil to marry all these wonderful flavors. Let's get started on creating this refreshing and hearty salad that promises a symphony of tastes in every bite. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy recipes. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this salad. See you next time.